on a motorcycle, dapat intindihan natin unang-una sa lahat is protection.
Kung nag-work ka and you are traveling from point A to point B, from your home going to your office, then office going to your home, napakahalaga nung meron kang alam pagdating sa safety. Dahil kung halimbawa ma-aksidente ka sa kalsada, lagi nating iisipin na meron naghihintay sa atin pag uwi natin sa bahay. So make sure, before riding that motorcycle, before opening that ignition switch, lagi nating intindihin at alamin kung ano yung mga dadaanan din natin, ano po ba yung mga dapat nating isuot bago tayo umalis. Make sure that safety is your priority. Walang ibang mag-care sa safety mo kundi ikaw mismo.
Drive safety lagi. Una, kailangan ng disiplina. Tapos yung mga gears, check nyo yung mga motor, check yung tires, yung engine, yung brakes, yun.
It's a must. Actually, kapag sasampa tayo ng motor or siguro nga prior to buying a motorcycle or hopping on a motorcycle, dapat intindihan natin unang-una sa lahat is protection. Napaka-importante niyan. Buhay natin ang nakabuhis dyan. Kahit sabihin mong isang kanto ka lang pupunta, accident can happen anytime, anywhere. So, I advise highly na kahit lalabas lang kayo, bibili lang kayo ng pandesal or anything, when riding a motorcycle, ride a helmet especially. Tapos, upon, going on a long ride, wear the proper protection, jacket, gloves, pants, and shoes, and of course, the helmet.
Siyempre yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat kasi isa lang yung life natin at hindi na yung mapapalitan kahit kailan. So, kailangan from head to toe, lagi tayong safe at kumpleto ang gear. Siyempre, dapat ang helmet natin, yung talagang maasahan mo.
I think the only thing that I can say to everyone is always wear your safety gears, like your helmet. It's essential, like your helmet, gloves, boots, your suit, or even wear a simple jacket just to protect your skin from injuries when you crash.
Siguro mas sundin na lang natin yung mga safety na dapat natin ngayon pagka nagmumotor tayo para rin sa atin yun, para sa kaligtasan natin everyday na nagmumotor tayo. Tapos lagi na suotin yung mga safety gear natin. Every we ride the motorcycle.
Motorcycle safety awareness is just simply something that is supposed to be part of motorcycling. If you're into motorcycles, this is something that you should consider. There's a proper place for everything and anything. You want to speed up, you want to race, you do it in the racetrack. You want to do crazy stunts and off-road stuff like that, do it in the proper venue. By protecting yourself, you're also trying to protect other people around you. So safety awareness, it is very important. Go online, ask people, ask experts, go to a riding school, and learn as much as you can about safety riding.